we arrived in Porto. We are in the Catalonia Hotels and Resorts. So let's check in and check out. Come on! We just arrived in beautiful Porto for a last-minute December getaway. We are chasing a little winter sunshine. We'll be here for 2 nights and we're excited to take you along as we explore this charming city streets, sights and flavors. Let the adventure begin! Hello! Coming into our room tour in Porto. We are staying at the Catalonia Hotel in the center of Porto and we have a family room. And this is our bed, so we could actually fit one more. Where are you going to sleep, Gabriela? Upside or downside?
Upside.
Upside! Yeah, like a big girl! Okay, it's big. I thought it would be smaller and let's check out the view. Oh, it's nice. There is a swimming pool, I guess, the outside swimming pool. Yeah, you can put up your shoes. Yes, okay. What else we have here? We have some amenities like a coffee maker, a safe, mini bar that is fully stocked. And I would assume that after this door, we would have some space to put away our luggage and suitcases and things like that. Let's go to the bathroom. Wow, that's nice. It's small, but it's very clean and modern. Oh my god, Gabriela, didn't you see that there was a glass? You see?
It's not glass, I think it's black.
It's black, yeah. At least it's nicely clean because you didn't see it. You have to open it. Now you can enter. And so we just checked in our hotel. Now it's almost lunchtime, so we are heading into the city center to look for a nice spot for our lunch break. Als we klaar zijn, dan mag je het daar gaan halen. Wow, so we are in beautiful Porto. It's our first lunch. It's December and it's I think 15 degrees, but with the sun shining it feels like 20, so I'm so happy to be able to sit just in a t-shirt in December on a terrace. Rosé is coming, food is coming, we have some potato chips for you. So all okay, Gabriela? Yes, eh? We were so hungry we didn't even film our lunch and now we are walking down the strip because we booked a boat tour on the Douro river to see the 6 bridges of Porto. We're on the boat tour. We're about to see the how many bridges? 6 bridges? 6 bridges of Porto. We're now currently in the sun is shining and we are feeling hot, so we are here outside of the boat looking for all the 6 bridges in Porto. We're setting sail on the Douro River for an unforgettable boat tour of Porto's iconic 6 bridges. This journey offers stunning views of the city's colorful buildings, the steep riverside hills and of course the famous bridges that connect Porto and Vila Nova de Gaia. From the towering Dom Louis I bridge to the modern Arrabiada bridge, each one has its own story and charm. As we glide along the water, we'll soak in the breathtaking sights and discover the history that Porto makes so magical. So we just finished our boat tour on the river. So we did the 6 bridges. I do remember there was one bridge built by a Belgian guy and the other was built by Eiffel itself, so you have a lot of similarities. You had it was a 15-minute boat tour. You see sightseeing from all the beautiful houses, the river, the bridges, both sides. It was good viewing, so we enjoyed it. And now we will head back to our hotel room and make sure that we are ready for dinner. Gabriela, how did you find it? Was it thumbs up?
Yeah.
So, yay! And now we are enjoying the scenery here. It is busy. It is busy. Hello, we're in the Postigo do Carvão and this is a restaurant in the center of Porto. It's a Portuguese traditional restaurant. We have no clue what the menu is, so we'll just pick and order something. So yeah, let's see what this Portuguese journey will bring us. So our first dish has come, which is the pata negra, and they have the ham right there, so they just cut it off fresh. Yes, and we ordered some fries for you. Good? You want to try it? You want to try it? You can, huh? You can take a piece, yeah? Try it. And? It's good? You like it? Yeah. So next off we have a pastry made with goat cheese. Phyllo pastry, yeah. Good, cheesy.
Price 10 out of 10.
So, we are at the main course. Gabriella is still practicing her dance moves. But now we're at the main course. I think I ordered something pork-ish, but let's share. With some vegetables and potatoes, and you have like octopus.
Yeah.
That looks really good. I'm actually a bit jealous about your plate, but let's share and let's try. Let's hear this. I do have to tell that we are very friendly. All the staff that's working here is very cooperative. They are very friendly, and they even took Gabriella to take a picture when they actually live cut our pata negra. So she could actually live cut our pata negra with a big knife. It was fun. Yeah, so it's a family-friendly environment, and though you have very authentic Portuguese food. So let's dig in.
We're live. So I'm eating the octopus, and then I have also I'm trying the pork. So let's see what it is. First, let me try the pork. It's nice. It's not something you eat a lot at home, pork, but yeah, it's got a great flavor. It's tender, and it's yeah, it's a great taste. Yeah, I like it. But let's see what octopus is, because it's really octopus. So this is like a tentacle. You see, there's a difference. Normally, the calamares is the small, very tiny, miniature version of the octopus, and this is just like a part, yeah, of this tentacles. So let's see. Yeah, I think it's the first time I ate octopus. I ate a lot of calamares, but octopus is my first time. I'm not sure you guys ate a lot of octopus, but it's great. It's really full in the mouth. It's not just the taste, it's really like the texture is like fish, but it's great and it's fresh. 9 out of 10 for the octopus. Yeah, it's great. The pork, okay, that's more basic. It's also great, but in combination with the starters we had, great.
To my favorite part, which is dessert. We have the chocolate mousse and a chocolate cake because she wanted to eat chocolate. It's a very sweet chocolate mousse. You want to try it? Yeah. Very good.
We can share.
And Gabriella, how is it? Ah, good. It's a very sweet one. I would definitely recommend this place just because of the authenticity of the food, the fast, the responsiveness, and the fact that they're very helpful and the food is amazing. I think that sums it up. That's it.